Buying riding gears and accessories is always great and is always fun. But one thing always bothers me. I pick up a Senna something like this or probably a BluArmor, which is a really great intercom. But the problem is, what if I have multiple helmets and how do I use it? Do I have to buy this once again and spend about 20-30 grand on just equipment that will allow me to access or make calls when I can probably use a headset? Not really. Fortunately, we at HTRZ Mods have a solution for this just for you guys. With the BluArmor, you get something called as a additional helmet kit. Well, this basically is an entire kit that goes inside your helmet. That is basically the mic and the entire mount and wiring harness that you get. And you can get n number of these for n number of your helmets, so that you really don't need to buy a separate intercom every single time you want to change your helmet. Maybe you want to use your adventure helmet today. You might be vlogging tomorrow and you want to use a different helmet. At the same time, you are with your long ride with your buddies and you have a different helmet for that. Best part, grab a couple of these, attach it with your helmets, and off you go with the C30 BluArmor. Get your snout HT Azimuths and enjoy things that really matter.